Alright, so now that the beautiful digital air fryer toaster oven is ready, I'm going to go ahead and do some cooking. Today I am going to be doing some Members Mark pigs in a blanket, just because they're delicious, and they actually have 3 different cooking types on here, and one of them actually is for the air fryer. So I'm going to go ahead and get the beautiful air fryer plugged in here. Alright. And as you can see, it's flashing the time. You can obviously set your time whenever. But I'm going to go ahead and turn the power button on here. And like I said, we're going to be air frying today. And it does say to preheat the air fryer to 350, so I'm going to adjust the temperature to 350. Oops. And then you'll put the desired amount of frozen franks, a ½ inch apart, on a single layer of the basket. I'm going to go ahead and pull the basket out here, just so I have that ready to go. And then I'm going to cook them for 5 to 10 minutes. So, yeah. So we're going to go ahead. And as you see, since I didn't push anything like the start button or anything, it went to the default mode and it's ready to start the process all over again. So that's pretty nice.
You know there already is a Joseph Stalin?
Maybe. Come on.
You're kidding. Apparently he was this Russian dictator who slaughtered all these people.
So as you see, it doesn't want to cooperate with me. Goodness. So that would definitely, the touchscreen, I really don't like it. And I'm going to do the start/menu button so it can start preheating. And I will be back once it's preheated. Alright, so it did just beep at me. It is preheated. And as you can see, I put all these on the little basket. Be careful, it's hot when you open it. And I'm just going to slide that in there. And here I am telling you that, you know, it says always use the baking tray to catch all the extra crumbs and whatnot. And then I don't even do it. So, put in a tray just in case, catching the extra crumbs. And I will be back in about 5 or 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been exactly 10 minutes since I put that in there. So I'm going to test them out. I'm going to take a look at them and see how they are. Okay, I'm just going to turn the power off. So, grab a pot holder because obviously these are going to be scorching hot. And you definitely want to not burn yourself because that would be really sad. And we don't have time for that. We don't have any time for that today. So, and as you see, it'll go ahead and default back to its original setting. So, but yeah, to me, those look pretty darn good. I'm just going to leave that baking rack in there and just take out the basket for right now. Alright. Oh yeah. They are definitely, well, believe it or not, they are not done. So, I'm going to put those back in there because they're definitely doughy. And I'm not about to eat raw dough. So, that's a little disappointing. But that was the directions on the box. Not saying that there's anything wrong with the air fryer by any means. So we're going to turn her back on. And I'm going to leave it at 400 degrees now. And I'm just going to hit the start button. It's going to do its preheat thing again. And I am probably going to leave these in for about 20 minutes or so once it's preheated. But I'll check it after 10 minutes. So, yeah, I will be back in just a minute. So I just wanted to get on there really quick. It did beep, you know, the 3 beeps that it's ready to add your food in. And it is, you know, on the default setting of 400 degrees and 25 minutes. So I will be back in 10 minutes to check and see if we're getting any crispier. Alright, so it has been 10 minutes since I have put it just on the regular factory settings of 400 degrees and 25 minutes. Because yeah, I'm definitely not going to eat it raw dough. And for my liking, I'm going to just go ahead and leave them in for 10 extra minutes here, just to be on the safe side. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been an additional 10 minutes, so a total of 20 minutes for this to cook at the 400 degrees in the preset time of 25 minutes. I do like having the window because you can obviously see how things are cooking and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And I'm hoping this will be... They definitely look more done than they were before. Yeah, I can feel the crispiness of them. So yeah, so I'm going to just set these over here on my little mat. Okay, and I'm just going to let those cool for about 5 minutes, and I'll give you guys a peek here once they cool down a little bit. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes, and these are definitely cooled down. So yeah, these are some Parmesan crusted little pigs in a blanket for you. And I made them in my beautiful digital air fryer toaster oven.